How to use Google Authenticator app. So if you want to use Google Authenticator app, then what you need to do is first you need to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. So once you install the application, now you just need to simply open up your Authenticator application, and here you will get the code to log into your account or to turn on the two-factor authentication, like that. So you will get some codes and you will have the time limit in which you need to enter the code. Here on the right side you will have that time limit, so you just need to simply enter that code and verify within the time limit. And to use this application, for example, I'll be turning on my two-factor authentication in my Binance. So here you will have the 16-digit key or the QR code. You can simply choose the QR code or the 16-digit key. I'll be choosing the key. And after that, once you've copied the key, now you need to go back to your authenticator. And here you can go with the plus option, which is on the bottom right. And you can either scan the QR code, which you had right now, or you can enter the setup key. So simply tap on the setup key. And here you need to enter the code name. I'll be entering Binance. And then enter your 16-digit key, which you've copied from here. So copy that and then enter the key right here. And you can choose time-based or counter-based. So I'll be choosing time-based and then tap on add, which is on the bottom. And that's it, you've added. Now you can go back and then tap on next. And here you need to enter the verification code, which you've just added on your authenticator. So here you will have the code, right? You just need to simply copy the code. Once you copy the code, you need to go back and you need to paste it right here and submit. And that's it. That's how you can use your Google Authenticator app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.